Hello, as you can see in this question, it is asked an object moving in a straight line has a velocity v in meters per second and that varies with time t in seconds according to the following function. So the velocity function is given. Okay. The instantaneous acceleration of the object at 2 seconds we have to find. So velocity function is given 4 plus 0.5. 0.5 I can write it as half and t square. And time interval is given 2 seconds. Okay. Now, remember the formula of instantaneous acceleration. How do we find instantaneous acceleration? So instantaneous acceleration is derivative of velocity. Okay. Or instantaneous velocity or instantaneous speed. Okay. Now, if we derive this, this will become 0 plus half into 2 into t. So this gets cancelled. So A is equal to t. Now, if I plug 2 in here instead of t, so we find that A is equal to 2 meters per second square. So the answer will be option number A.